Hi, and thanks for joining us again. This is Chris with Pyramid Communications, and today we're going to be talking about our DS-255 door switch module. The DS-255 is an intelligent door switch module that works with any Pyramid vehicular repeater. In this case, we happen to be hooked up to a E.F. Johnson or Kenwood Viking quad deck radio, but it doesn't necessarily have to be this particular radio. The door switch module is fully PC programmable and includes a door pin switch so that you can install it into the door jamb of your vehicle. Its purpose in life is to enable the vehicular repeater. The traditional way of enabling or turning on your vehicular repeater is to either have a programmable button on the control head of the radio or have a toggle switch installed somewhere on the vehicle that turns on the vehicular repeater as the officer exits the vehicle. This module actually automates that procedure, so it's one less thing that the officer or firefighter has to remember to do when they exit the vehicle at an incident. So, for example, in this particular configuration, we have a DS-255 that's just fixed up here just for demonstration purposes, but behind the scenes, there's actually one going between this switch and the mobile radio. In normal conditions, when an officer or firefighter is driving around, their vehicular repeater is off or in a disabled position. When they arrive on the scene, they need some way, whether it's through a button press or a toggle switch in the vehicle, to turn on the vehicular repeater when they need that extended coverage. The door switch module is a pretty simple concept. When they exit the vehicle, the door switch goes active. That turns on the vehicular repeater, and you'll see all the lights kind of illuminate here. And now it's ready for use. The nice thing about the door switch module is that if they close the door and open the door, as they might do during the course of an incident, the vehicular repeater stays on for that entire time. It doesn't turn off, so it's a non-resetting door switch indication. And then when they're done and they actually need to leave the incident, all they have to do is come back over to their mobile radio and tap a button on the control head to turn the repeater off. And so now the repeater's off and it's disabled and ready for the next call. So door switch module is completely programmable. It has an internal beeper. So if you're using it on a non-Viking radio, you can enable with the software an internal beeper to remind the user that the repeater needs to be turned off when they get back in the vehicle. In other words, it's going to annoy them enough to have the vehicular repeater turned off. And all they have to do is either push a button on the control head of the radio or a reset switch that you can install at the time of installation. Door switch module fixes a lot of training issues that have kind of been an obstacle for some users that can't remember to turn their vehicular repeater on and off. And it is compatible with any installation, whether you're using a Kenwood, a Motorola, a Viking like we do have here, Harris, Tate. It doesn't matter on the radio installation. The door switch module is completely universal, very flexible, that it's PC programmable with the supplied CPS software that we give you. And if you have any questions, please give us a call. We'd be happy to answer those for you. Thanks for joining me and have a good day.